For I maintain that is perpetrated by the ruling classes of countries. It's not the ordinary people. Don't blame them. It's a class thing. It's not a people thing. It's called a colony.
Run deep. How many races with much reason to weep, and your children cry, and you ask God why. Annie came from the Levin town. The TB came and killed her family all around. Population boom, 11 in 2 rooms. On their feet, 1916 came. They played the Patriot game. Ready came from the United tenement slums and infested with rats, leave them out and straw. Try not to break their law. Came from Killeen and Mayo. Starvation was the only life you know the truth. And then with that God why. Read as the night and the skies run deep. How many races with much reason to weep, and your children cry. Oh, you ask God why. I look to the east, I look to the west, to the north and the south, and I'm not too impressed. Time after time after crime after crime, they raped, robbed, pillaged, enslaved and murdered. But Jesus Christ was their God, and he done it in his name, so he could take the blame if it's not all a game. With Bible in one hand and a sword in the other, they came to purify my land, and my Gaelic Irish mothers and fathers and sisters and brothers. With our own ancient customs, laws, music, art, a way of life and culture, tribal and structure. We had the civilization, and they were still Neanderthal nations, and we suffer with the Native American, the Indian in Asia, Aboriginal Australia, the African people with their history so deep, and our children still beat, and our lives are still cheap. They came from Germany, from France, from England and from Spain, from Belgium, Holland, Portugal, you all were much the same. You took what was not yours, went against your own Bible, you broke your own laws just to outdo the rival. But did you ever apologize for the hundreds of millions of lives you destroyed and terrorized that you never realized? Did you never feel shame for what was done in your country's name, and find out who to blame? And whether it was so inhumane, still they teach you in your school about those glorious days of rule, how it's your destiny to be superior to me. But if you have any kind of mind, you'll see that all humankind are the children of this earth, and your hate for them will chew you up and spit you out.
energy.